Today my dart landed in Ellington, Connecticut, yet another town where farmland is disappearing. But one farm is fighting back in the strangest way possible. At first, nothing seems wrong. Wide fields, quiet roads, old barns that feel permanent. But farmland doesn't disappear all at once. It disappears one decision at a time. You might know Ellington for Luanne's Bakery or Gerry's Donuts. Two absolutely incredible spots to grab a bite to eat in the morning. They are both top-rated spots for a reason.
90 cents for a donut? Like, my whole entire bill was $6. At Dunkin', that would be like $20 at least. It's crazy.
Then there's Crystal Lake on the deep end of town. It's calm, still, and quiet. A place that makes you forget anything's at risk. But lakes don't get rezoned. It's the farms that do. After a quick bite at a cute little breakfast spot down the road called the General Store, aka the Depot Cafe, we headed to one of the most amazing stops of the trip, the Aborn Castle, a century-old stone home built in the late 1910s. It was built by Harry Aborn after a trip to Europe. This was his attempt to bring a bit of English castle charm to rural Connecticut. It's a private residence with beautiful scenery and gardens. It's a landmark on Summers Road that still sparks curiosity in locals and passerbys like me. That's not the only historic place here though. The Pinney House in Ellington is a crumbling 18th century home that became a local symbol of the town's deep colonial roots, and it's a favorite stop for people who enjoy history. If you know me, you know I can't pass up a house like this. It's not gone yet, but it could be soon. It's really at risk.
Looks so old.
But finally, we made it to the heart of the story. Oakridge Dairy Farm. This is a farm that never closes. At Oakridge, you can buy milk 24/7, even at 1 a.m. No counter, no employees, no locked door.
Yo, this is the farm store that's open 24/7, Oakridge Farm Dairy. They do it a little bit different here, and they have a 24/7 self-serve milk stand, and I'm gonna go check it out.
Oakridge also runs one of the last true modern milkman services. It's fresh milk delivered in nostalgic glass bottles dropped right at your doorstep. No plastic, no nonsense. Just a better way to drink and a better way to keep a farm alive. This place is just nostalgic and strategic. Farms don't compete with other farms anymore. They compete with development. Some farms adapt how they sell, while others sell everything to make room for development. This farm chose to modernize instead. The milk here is so good I had to make a mini commercial for it. Let me know what you think of this. But not all farmland here is safe. Some might become warehouses or apartment complexes, and some might disappear without a single outsider ever noticing. Ellington isn't just deciding what gets built, it's deciding what stays. Food or footprint, open land or concrete, trust or transaction. This milk stand isn't just convenient, it's a quiet act of resistance. A farm saying, we're still here, we still matter, and we're not done yet. Sometimes fighting back doesn't look like protests. Sometimes it looks like a glass bottle waiting for the next person to show up. We were hungry again, so we finished the day at the local Mexican place that turned out to be a true hidden gem. No Coast Taqueria Mexican Fusion. We love Mexican food. I hope it's good. I don't even know what to expect. You can't go and visit a town without trying some food. There's a liquor store right next door, and you could bring your own bottle in here and just drink in this place. That's freaking unique. They know what's going on, man. They have BYOB and games for the little ones. That made the spot really unique, and the food was excellent.
So we brine all of our stuff in-house for 24 hours. It marinates another 24 hours.
And all local ingredients and stuff for most of the stuff.
Fresh out the smoker, dog.
I'm gonna get a shot of that in there anyway.
Much better than that, man.
Ellington, you surprised me and proved once again how beautiful our state is. And also, you showed me just how important our farms are. And guys, the next video, I'm doing something a little different. I'm not throwing a dart this time. The most commented town is where I'm going. Until next time, peace. I'll see you next week.